Here's a look at week 5 for math class for Miss Hartman and Mrs. Leganke's class. There's a little bit of a different look this week. It's kind of like go at your own pace. It's not specific to each day of the week. I want to remind you to make sure you put your slides in the present mode so that all the blue links will become active. After you put your slides in presentation mode, you can check out Ms. Hartman's video, which overviews all of the slides. And you can see that there is a Zoom session Tuesday. She changed the time to 1 p.m. And then open up your check-in. Your check-in form requires your name and last name and class period. And we just want to know, are you checking your email every day? Because we really need our students to be checking every day. And about what time of day are you getting your work done? Tell us some kind of success that you've had so far with distance learning, and maybe something that may frustrate you with this distance learning process. And about how much time are you spending on assignments for math specifically? We don't want to overwhelm anyone. And then hit next, and then you'll see just wanting to know how you're doing. You can check more than one of these, and what we can do to support you, and anything else you'd like us to know about. And then make sure you submit it. And then here's a peek at all of the slides. They're a little bit different. We have learn it, practice, and check out. Really just hone in on the required activities. There are optional activities, there's extension activities as well. So like required, choose one thing from this box. I would definitely do the videos because this is really tough right here. And then required on this slide, choose one out of the box and then practice both of these things. And then in the checkout slide, choose one from the box. I would probably do the quizzes game or the Go Formative. Actually, the Alex assignment won't be too difficult either, so any of those three are fine. And then your end of the week reflection and submit. So where do you begin? You do your check-in, and then I suggest you do the notes. Here's a look at the notes. It shows you how to find the interior angles of triangles and the exterior angles of triangles. Interior angle of triangles, those are the insides of triangles. And we're going to be using the number 180 again. So the sum of the three interior angles will equal 180 degrees. So that's what's going to go in this box and this box, but you'll see it on the notes. And then to find the missing value, all three of these together would add up to 180 degrees. So you could set it up like an equation, 25 plus 20 plus x equals 180. So this would be 45 plus x equals 180, and then it's just a one-step equation. So you could use our inverse operations that we've been using all year. So 180 minus 45 would give us 35 for that missing angle. And then you could just double check that all equals 180. So Ms. Hartman will go through all of this on the video. And then your notes will continue, and you'll see we're looking for missing values of x in triangles. So you'll practice there and put your response on the document. Remember that special number of 180, so all three angles inside a triangle should add up to 180. And then you'll learn the rule about the exterior angles as well. That's the two adjacent angles together equal the exterior angle. And then you'd want to post a picture of your notes right here so that we can see that they're done. And that would take care of today and even into tomorrow. it's a pretty good workload this week, not too overloaded. And there are extension activities if you need a little more or you want a little more practice.